Hello and welcome to episode 3 of TrouDigital's tutorial video series. In this episode, we will be looking at the playlist tab in greater detail. As mentioned in our dashboard overview episode, the playlist tab is where you can manage the individual pieces of content. We will show you how to create a playlist of presentations, how to adjust their duration, and how to modify the sequence in which they will appear on your screen. To enter the playlist main menu, simply hit the playlist tab in the top left. When you first enter the playlist tab, this will probably be empty. To begin populating the menu with playlists, start by clicking the Add Playlist button, followed by the Add Creative button. This will then load all of the individual presentations that you have uploaded from your computer or created within the studio. To begin building a playlist, simply drag and drop the individual presentations you wish to be included into the box below. By default, each presentation will have a duration corresponding to the media it includes. To adjust this, click in the top left of the tile and enter the number of seconds that you want the individual presentation to play for. To edit the sequence in which the presentations appear, again, simply drag and drop them in the desired order from left to right. It's important to note that once a playlist has completed a cycle, it will automatically repeat, unless there is another playlist that is scheduled to follow. Once you have all the presentations that you want to be included in the playlist, the final step is to give your playlist a name and a description if you wish to do so. Once you have done this, click the Create button located in the bottom right. If for whatever reason you want to delete a playlist that you have made, simply click on the playlist you wish to be deleted and click the Delete button in the top right. Please note, simply creating a playlist does not mean that it will be shown on your screen. To do this, you will have to assign a playlist to a screen folder which we will be covering in the next episode. And that brings us to the end of this episode. As mentioned, in the next episode we will show you how to assign a playlist to begin playing on a screen, as well as how to build a screen network if you have multiple screens.